BLAC ACTS, a meta-framework for the study of human identity, revelation, and coherent signaling. The project is a strong scholarly foundation because it explicitly separates three levels throughout the work. 1. Historical evidence texts, archaeology, linguistics, genetics, and documented events. 2. Comparative analysis, examining how concepts develop across traditions. 3. The BLAC ACTS synthesis is an original meta-framework that integrates those disciplines into a unified theory of signaling, identity, and revelation. Introduction. BLAC ACTS is an interdisciplinary meta-framework developed to investigate the historical construction of human identity through the integration of biological linguistics, acquired cognition, art, culture, technology, and science. It is not a racial theory, nor is it a replacement identity. Rather, it is a research framework for examining how biological, linguistic, cognitive, historical, theological, and cultural systems have shaped humanity's understanding of itself across civilizations. The distinction between BLAC and BLAC is foundational. BLAC is the historical object of investigation, a classification whose meanings have shifted through religion, empire, law, science, politics, and culture. The category has been defined and redefined across different historical periods, often without a coherent integration of biology, language, ancestry, cognition, and culture. BLAC ACTS is the method of investigation. As an acronym for Biological Linguistics, Acquired Cognition, Art, Culture, Technology, and Science, BLAC ACTS provides a systems-based approach for analyzing how human identity has been constructed, transmitted, fragmented, and restored through history. Rather than asking, what race is a person, BLAC ACTS asks, how is identity biologically expressed? How is identity linguistically defined? How is identity cognitively perceived? How is identity culturally transmitted? How is identity historically classified? How is identity theologically interpreted? How do these systems interact to produce coherent or fragmented understandings of humanity? BLAC ACTS is a unified model of human emergence, a framework that describes how life evolves from raw biological potential into complex creative intelligence. Author Dorian K. Hilliard Sr. of the book, BLAC ACTS. The biosphere of molecular energy is the first person to connect these domains into a unified model. It teaches that biology expresses itself through language. Language develops cognition. Cognition produces art. Art shapes culture. Culture drives technology, and technology leads to scientific understanding. Thus, BLAC ACTS is the full cycle of human transformation, from organism to civilization. It asserts that identity is not color, race, or category, but the continual unfolding of biological information into creative expression. BLAC ACTS is a declaration that humanity is a process, not a label, the scientific plus linguistic justification for black. Hilliard's choice of black, not the hue black, is rooted in what linguists call proto-semantic logic, the earliest meanings embedded in ancient languages. Here is the etymological root of the word so many people continue to use to identify with or classify themselves as. It is derived from the Old English word BLAC, meaning black or dark, or black, which means both white or pale. It's all just an act. Biological. Every organism begins as encoded information. DNA is the first language of life. Linguistics. Human cognition expands when information becomes symbolic. Language is the second DNA, the cultural genome, acquired. Cognition is not innate, it is obtained through experience, environment, memory, social interaction. Cognition. Hilliard defines cognition as the transformed state, the culmination of lived processes. This parallels the ancient Indo-European linguistic roots where blackened meant transformed, completed. Not racial, not categorical, but processual. Hilliard's BLAC captures the science, neuroplasticity, environmental encoding, and linguistic self-organization.